The continuation of the exercise 13.1, the related problems are on the direct and inverse proportions, the direct proportions only. The sixth question is, in a model of ship, the mast is 9 centimeter high, while the mast of the actual ship is 20 meter high, the mast is 9 centimeter high. If the length of the ship is 20 meter high, how long the model ship? That is, what is the mast ship? In a model of a ship, we are discussing. Okay. Here, from the given data, the mast height and actual ship, actual height. Height of ship, both in the relation of the ships only. Here, the mast is 9 centimeter high, the actual ship height is 12 meter. If the actual ship length is 28 meter, what is the model ship? They are asking. Okay, it is also direct proportional only. The direct proportion relation with the mast height to actual height or the length, the model ship. Okay, here that is x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. From this, 9 centimeter by 12 meter equal to x by 28 meter. Meter get cancelled. And from this, x equal to 28 into 9 centimeter by 12. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 4 1s are 4 7s are 28, 7 3s are 21 centimeter. So, how long the model ship means? 21 centimeter long the model ship. Of actual length is 28 meter. This is the answer. Seventh question. Suppose 2 kgs of sugar contains 9 into 10 power 6 crystals. Here, sugar in kgs, number of crystals. Okay. Here, 2 kgs of sugar contains 2 kgs of sugar contains 9 into 10 power 6 crystals. How many sugar crystals are there in 5 kgs of sugar? How many? And 1.2 kgs of sugar contains how many crystals? Here, this is also in the direct proportions that depends on the weight of the sugar only. Okay. The relation of the direct proportion is x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. Here kgs in notation of the x variable, number of crystals in y variable. Okay. From this, 2 kgs of sugar contains 9 into 10 power 6 crystals. So 5 kgs of sugar contains how much? This is y1. From this, cross multiply. Y1 equal to 5 kgs into 9 into 10 power 6 by 2 kgs. Kgs cancel. Here, 9 5s are 45 by 2 into 10 power 6. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 2s are 0.5. So y1 equal to 22.5 into 10 power 6 or 225 into 10 power 5 crystals. Or we can write in 22.5. This is the first case. The second case, second one, 2 kgs of sugar contains 9 into 10 power 6 crystals. So 1.2 kgs of sugar contains how much crystals? How many crystals? cross multiply y2 equal to 1.2 kgs into 9 into 10 power 6 by 2 kgs. Kgs cancel, 2 ones are 2, 0.6. 9 6 are 54. That is 5.4 into 10 power 6 crystals. Here we can write it as 22.5 into 10 power 6, and for 1.2, 5.4 into 10 power 6 crystals is the answer. These two are the number of crystals. Eighth question. Rashmi has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter representing 18 kilometers. She drives on a road for 72 kilometers. What would be her distance covered in the map? Okay, here from the data, scale in a map, that is X variable, and representation, real road representation. Road on road or road representation. That is Y variable. Here, in the scale, if represents the 1 centimeter in the scale on the road, that nothing but 18 kilometers. If she covers 72 kilometers means in the map, how much representing, that is nothing but how many centimeters. Okay, it is also directly proportional relation only. Directly proportion. The directly proportion is in the relation of x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. Here 1 centimeter by 18 kilometer equal to x by 72 kilometer. From the cross multiply, x equal to 1 centimeter into 72 kilometer by 18 kilometer. Kilometer cancel. Here 18 ones are 18 fours are. Okay, 1 centimeter into 4 is 4 centimeters. So here the answer is 4 centimeter. Ninth problem. 5 meter 60 centimeter high vertical pole casts shadow 3 meter 20 centimeter long. Find at the same time the length of the shadow cast by another pole 10 meter 50 centimeter high. We can find out the shadow length. In the second case, the height of the pole, we can find out the shadow length is 5 meter long. Here the mention at the same time means the shadow is changes, depends on the time also. That's why in the same time, what is the relation of the pole height and shadow length? Okay, here from the given data, we write in table, that is actual height of the pole, length of the shadow, length of the shadow of pole. Okay, height of the pole is in X variable, length of the shadow is in Y variable. Okay, the relation of the two variables, these are in the directly proportional. Why? Because we measure in the same time only, at the same time only. Okay, here the 5 meter 60 centimeter high vertical pole casts shadow. Shadow length is 3 meter 20 centimeter long. Okay, find at the same time the length of the shadow. Find the length of the shadow. It is equal to how much? shadow by another pole. Height is 10 meter, 50 centimeter. And in the second question, find the height of the pole. What is this? This is equal to, here we can take it is x, it is y. The length of the shadow they have given 5 meter long. At the same time, we measure the pole's shadow is nothing but those are in the directly proportional. The relation is direct proportion only. Okay. The direct proportion relation in two variables means that is x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. From this, we write it as 5 meter 60 centimeter by 3 meter 20 centimeter equal to 10 meter 50 centimeter by y. Cross multiply y equal to 10 meter 50 centimeter by 5 meter 60 centimeter into 3 meter 20 centimeter. Okay. Here we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Okay. 10 meter y is equal to 10 meter means 10 into 100 centimeter equal to 1000 centimeter. 1000 centimeter into 1000 centimeter plus 50. Here 10 meter 50 centimeter equal to 1000 plus 50 centimeter, that is equal to 1050 centimeter. In the same way, 5 meter 60 centimeter equal to 500 plus 60 centimeter 560. 3 meter 20 centimeter equal to 1 meter equal to 100. 3 into 100 plus 20, 320 centimeter. Right, in all in centimeters, 1050 into 320 by 560. 0, 0 cancel. 2 16s are 2 2s are 2 8s are. Okay. 4 4s are 4 7s are. 7 1s are 7 1s are 7 5s are 35 0. It is equal to 400, 4 5s are 22, 4 1s are 4 plus 2, that is 6. 600 centimeter, that is nothing but 5 equal, y equal to 6 meter. This, for this answer is 6 meter. Okay, that is the first question relation. The second question is 5 meter 60 centimeter. Second one, 5 meter 60 centimeter by 3 meter 20 centimeter is equal to what they have given. Height of the pole equal to x, shadow is 5 meter. Is x, shadow is 5 meter. Okay. Here also we can convert into centimeter, that is 560 centimeter by 320 centimeter equal to x by 5 meter means 500 centimeter. Cross multiply. X equal to 560 centimeter into 500 centimeter by 320 centimeter. 1 centimeter, centimeter, 0, 0 cancel. Here 2 28s are 2 16s are 4 4s are 4 7s are 4 1s are 4 1s are 4 2s are 8 4 5s are 20 equal to 7 5s are 35 3 7 2s are 14 plus 3 17 7 1s are 7 8 875 centimeter. That is the pole height is equal to 8 meter 75 centimeter for the second question. Here the shadow length is 6 meter. It is the answer. 10th problem. A loaded truck travel 14 kilometers in 25 minutes. The speed remains the same. When the speed is same, the distance covered in minutes, the distance and time is directly proportional. Okay. If the speed is different, that is inversely. If the speed is same, the distance and time both are directly proportional only. The direct proportion relation is if in two variables, that is x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. Okay, the measurements. Here, from the given data, the loaded truck travel, the distance covered in time, the distance and time. Distance is 14 kilometer, distance covered in 25 minutes. And what is the question here? If the speed remains the same, that is nothing but proportion relation. How far can it travel in 5 hours? We can take the 5 hours time. How much distance is there? The distance represent in x variable, time is represent in y variable. Now, first we can convert in the same units. The first one has given in the minutes. The second one is hours. We know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 5 hours equal to 5 into 60 minutes. That is nothing but 300 minutes. Okay. Now we can take the relation. Let it be x. We can find out the how much distance covered in 5 hours means let it be x. So we take the direct relation proportion, that is 14 kilometer by 25 minutes is equal to x by 300 minutes. 5 hours is nothing but this is 300 minutes time. 5 into 60 and cross multiply. X equal to 14 kilometer into 300 minutes by 25 minutes. Minutes cancel. 5 5s are 5 60s are 5 1s are 5 12s are. Okay. Here 12 4s are 48. X equal to 4. 12 1s are 12 plus 4. 168 kilometers. In 5 hours, the truck covered 168 kilometers. It is the answer.